How to clip coupons on Dollar General app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can clip or use your coupons on Dollar General app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So first of all, just go ahead and make sure to launch Dollar General over here as you can find it. Once you launch Dollar General, let's say that there is a specific coupon or anything that you would like to apply and use. It's actually very simple to go ahead and then actually redeem them. For this, first of all, you just have to make sure to add the products that you want to buy to your cart. Once you add the products that you want to buy, let's say, to your cart section by tapping the add deal section or whatever else that you can find over here, you can just go ahead and select add to cart option. Once you select the add to cart option, it will take you to the checkout page, right? Where on the checkout page, what you need to do is you simply need to make sure that you first of all sign into your account, and then you'll be taken to the payment page where you have to simply enter your coupon code details, such as you'll be able to find the option to enter your coupon code. This way you'll be able to clip coupons in Dollar General app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.